I'm Maitane.
Hello, I'm Anton.
I go to present life cycle of a kangaroo. The kangaroo is an animal currently living in Australia. They have large legs. With the powerful tail, it has to jump up to 9 meters. When the kangaroo is born, it is pink and naked from far. After a kangaroo is born, it makes a dangerous journey. It has to cling to the mother's stomach, to the mother's foot. It can easily fall and die.
The second stage of a kangaroo's life cycle. The kangaroo begins to develop food. A young joey lives inside his mother's pouch. It feeds on a mother's milk. After many years living inside the mother's pouch,
An advanced joey
is allowed outside its mom. Now kangaroos feed on grass and basically anything their parents feed. At the age of 6, they are considered adults. These adult noodles will form a mob. Also the adults will mate. Now the life cycle will start all over again.
Very good.